Good morning. Chapter 11, Milking Methods. Calf suckling is the fastest method for evacuating milk from the udder. In this chapter, we will be dealing with hand milking, machine milking, high-tech parlor milking. Hand milking, it is milking of the animal by hand. So we sit on the left side usually when we milk a cow. If we have very few animals, like less than 10 animals, then we can practice hand milking. Types of hand milking: full hand milking, thumping, and stripping. Full hand milking is also known as fisting. So here teat is closed at the base using the thumb and the index finger. The milk trapped in the teat cistern is forced out by pressing with the other fingers on the teat. Next, the index finger and the thumb are relaxed to allow the teat cistern to fill and the cycle is repeated. So it is not complicated as it sounds. It is, you will hold with your thumb and index finger on the base of the teat, and with the other fingers you will just squeeze out the milk. It is faster method and it causes little injury to the teat, and it kind of simulates the natural suckling of calf. In this figure, the process is explained. First, we have to wash the hands, then we have to wash and wipe the udder, and then teat massage and full hand milking is shown. And in the 10 number, stripping is shown. And even if we are doing full hand milking, we will strip out some milk before and after full hand milking. So before stripping is done, so that the milk which is remaining in the teat may have some bacteria or some kind of contamination. So to avoid this, we do stripping before full hand milking, and after milking, stripping is to drain out the udder, like whatever milk is remaining we are taking out from the udder by stripping. So how stripping is done? It is done by repeated sliding of the fingers over the teat. So it may cause some irritation and teat injury. So it is not advised to practice it to do the whole milking. Let's watch how milking is done. So the udder is sanitized with potassium permanganate and it is wiped. Now we can see full hand milking. The initial stripping is done for all the 4 teeth. So here this milk is we are not taking this milk, we are just removing it and we are throwing it out. The entire milking process should be complete in 5 to 10 minutes. Post milking, udder is dipped in udder dip. It is a solution containing iodine. The teat will be open after milking. So if you are doing the teat dip, it can prevent infection. Thumping or knuckling. This method, the thumb is bent in against the teat while milking. So we can extract milk easily by thumping, but this should be avoided because it causes lot of injury to the teat. So this method is not at all advised to practice. Machine milking. So for a commercial farm with 20 milking animals, machine milking can be done. Let us see how it is working. So here, after letting down, the teats are inserted into the teat cups of the machine. So with the negative pressure created around the teat, milk will be let down into the machine. From there, it is connected to various tanks or milking can. And the pulsator speed is like 60. Coming to the last portion, high-tech farm. So here we will be dealing with only the milking. In another chapter, we will be dealing with high-tech farm in detail. In a high-tech farm, all operations are done with the help of computerized special machinery. Milking parlors. Milking parlors are special areas where large number of cows are milked simultaneously. In a high-tech farm, you will be having 100 or 200 or more than 200 animals. So, in milking parlors, all these animals or a batch of animals can be milked simultaneously. A milking parlor should have an easy entrance, exit, colding area and milking area. Cows are assembled in a collecting yard or holding area before milking. Provision of drinking water should be made there. And from there, cows will be going to
of machine milking. Labor can be saved, milking can be done quicker, high yielders can be milked completely, contamination of milk can be reduced. We will deal with all these points in wholesome milk production. There are different types of milking parlors: herringbone or fishbone, parallel or side by side, swing over milking and rotary milking. So, we have a pictorial representation of all this. This is parallel parlor where the cows will be standing parallelly opposite to each other. Herringbone parlor where there is a slight curve where the cow stands. Rotary parlor, which we will deal in detail. Many varieties of milk parlors are coming these days. Rotary milking parlor are increasingly used. It consists of a turntable and over that cows can stand. The turntable is turned by electric motor drive such that one turn is the time required to milk a cow completely, so that when one turn is over, all the cow completes milking. When milking is complete, cows back out and leaves at the exit. This is suited for very large number of cows, like thousands of cows or at least a few hundred. The disadvantage is that once made, the parlor type is not expandable and the capital cost is very high than other non-moving parlors. It is more difficult to provide any special care to cow while milking. Thank you for watching. Other points in milking will be covered in wholesome milk chapter. Happy learning. Bye bye.